Hey, amazing teachers. You know that moment when you walk into class and can feel the collective student energy screaming, "We're not in the mood today"? That's your cue for the easiest engagement hack ever. Drop a meme or a GIF on the screen and talk about it in the target language. I'm not kidding. Students will instantly perk up, laugh, and forget their learning. It's like sneaking vegetables into their spaghetti sauce. You get input, they get a dopamine win. Everyone wins. Here's a concrete example. I once threw up a meme of a cat looking horrified at a cucumber with the caption, "When you realize it's Monday again." Boom, instant chatter. In Spanish, I asked, "¿Qué piensa el gato? ¿Por qué está sorprendido?" Students couldn't stop answering. The best part? The discussion naturally used high frequency verbs like piensa, está, tiene miedo, and ve. I got 5 minutes of pure CI gold from one meme. Want to take it even further? Use a reaction GIF as a conversation starter. Show a short looping clip like a dramatic eye roll and ask, "¿Cuándo haces eso? ¿Por qué? When do you do that? Why?" The responses will have you cracking up and reinforcing language structures. Here's your quick win. Make a Meme Monday folder. Every week, drop one meme or GIF into it. That's your backup plan for those "they're done, but I still have 6 minutes left" moments. It's engaging, authentic, and brain friendly. And if you want even more ways to make input fun, check out the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides for levels 1 through 3 in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Because memes are great, but a full year of no prep CI lessons, that's the real teacher win. Happy comprehensible input.